Very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the University Department of Chemistry, Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee University, I, Dr. Rajiv Ranjan, welcome you all. I welcome our Chief Patron, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Satyanarayan Munda, sir, Patron, Dean of Student Welfare, Dr. Namita Singh, ma'am, Co-Patron, Registrar, Dr. Narendra Dev Goswami, sir, Dean of Sciences, Dr. A.K. Mahato, sir, and members of the organizing committee, Dr. Khursi, Dr. Poonam Bhardwaj, and my friends, Dr. Vinod Kumar Chaudhary and Mr. Nivedan Mato, in this event. A very warm welcome to our speakers, Dr. Shilpa Sharma ma'am and Dr. Chandra Prabha Sahu ma'am. I welcome our international participants from USA, UK, Israel, China, Egypt, North Macedonia, Indonesia, Morocco, Albania, Philippines, Cambodia, Benin, Bahrain, Oman, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Nepal, Kuwait, Nigeria, and the smallest country of the African mainland, Gambia. There are participants, teachers, students, and research scholars from more than 21 countries. This is very encouraging for all of us. And we had announced earlier this will be a national webinar, but due to overwhelming participation from 21 countries, this has become an international webinar. We have 1,400 participants from all major states of the India, including one from Kargil in Ladakh, from Srinagar, from Dadar and Nagar Haveli, from Puducherry, from Sikkim, from Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Meghalaya, and many remote areas of our country. Warm welcome to all you participants. Now, this is the time to start our first talk, and we have a speaker, Dr. Chandra Prabha Sahu. She did her PhD from renowned institution, National Institute of Technology, Raipur, and she had more than 10 years of research and teaching experience. She has published many papers in Scopus and Web of Science journals. I welcome her for the first invited talk. Welcome, ma'am, and this is your turn. Please deliver your talk to the participant in this webinar. Thank you. Please, ma'am, please proceed.
Thank you, sir. I am grateful to the University, Department of Chemistry, DSPM University.
This is your turn.
Honorable